night, everyone.
Good
First of
night.
all, thank you for the opportunity given to us to present our materials today. Um, on this occasion, we from Group 2 will present Chapter 2, Basic, basic Concept of Data Analysis, focusing on descriptive statistics. And then this presentation will discuss the definition, characteristics, strengths, and weaknesses, procedure of data analysis, and an example based on the PSPT tutorial. I will act as the moderator and guide the presentation session today. Without further ado, let us begin the presentation. I would like to invite our first presenter, Juyadi, to start the presentation.
Thank you for the time. So the first I wanna explain descriptive statistic. Uh, Statistics summarize and describe that mean feature or of a data set include center, tendency, lex, mean, media, mode, variability, ranger, variance, and STD, and this distribution histogram box plot. The next DP.
Okay, the next definition of descriptive statistic, Creswell 2022. Slide content definition by Creswell 2022. Oral explanation. According to Creswell 2022, descriptive statistics are numerical procedure used to summarize, organize, and describe the essential characteristic of a set of data. This means descriptive statistics help researchers simpling complex data into clear and meaningful information. The next slide, Mariati.
Sorry, Mayati. Suara.
Sorry. Here I will explain about the definition Cohen 2018 definition and general quantitative methodology definition. Cohen 2018 states that descriptive statistics help research present quantitative data in a manageable form, such as frequency, percentages, and measure of central tendency and variability. In general, descriptive statistics describe the data as they are without making generalization to a large population. And next slide.
Okay, the next characteristic of descriptive statistic, and the slide the content. The first, describe data without prediction, and the second, use mean, median, and model, and then focus on summarizing data, and the last, initial step before advanced analysis or oral explanation. Descriptive statistics have several important characteristics. They describe data without making prediction or inferences. They focus on summary values like mean, median, and model, and are usually used as the first step before more complex data analysis. Okay, the next slide.
Okay, I want to explain about the strengths and weaknesses. Weaknesses of the descriptive statistic. First, cannot generalize finding to population. Second, cannot explain cause and effect relationship. Third, can be mind-lending without proper context. Four, cannot analysis relationship between variable and next let's subtitle from explanatory or predictive research. Descriptive statistics also have several weaknesses. They cannot be used to generalize results or explain cause and effect relationship. Therefore, descriptive statistics are mainly used from summarizing data, not for deep analysis. Next.
Okay. So,
Okay, next is about example of descriptive statistic using PSPP. The data were obtained from a writing test administered to 30 junior high school students. Based on PSPP output, the mean score is 7.8, which indicated that the student overall writing ability is at a very good level. The median and mode are both 18, showing that most student achieved scores around 80. The standard deviation of 7.5 indicate that the data are relatively stable and not widely spread. Therefore, descriptive statistics help summarize student performance clearly without making generalized to a large population. Okay, next.
okay. So I'm adding one more material about procedure of data analysis using descriptive statistic. Slide the procedure of data analysis using descriptive statistic includes 6 steps. The steps start from collecting and cleaning the data, then organizing and calculating basic statistic, and finally presenting and interpreting the results. Okay. Thank you to all presenter from delivering the material clearly. We will now continue to the question and answer session. If there are any question related to the material, please feel free to ask.
Oke, di sini saya yang mau bertanya.
Okay.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Gaby. My question is, what is descriptive statistic and what is its main purpose and research? That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Gaby. Next.
I will ask why can descriptive statistics not be used to make general or explain cause and effect of relationship? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Lan. I will answer Gaby question. The answer is descriptive statistic is a statistical technique used to summarize, organize, and describe the main characteristic of a set of data. Its main purpose is to make complex data easier to understand by presenting it in forms such as mean, median, mode, frequencies, and percentage without making generalization to a larger population. That's all for me. Thank you. Will I will answer ulang question. The answer is descriptive statistics cannot be used to make generalization or explain cause and effect relationship because it only describes the data collected from a sample. It does not involve inferential analysis or hypothesis testing, so it cannot draw conclusion beyond the observed data or explain relationship with between variables. That's all for me. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for delivering the material clearly. The conclusion or presentation on descriptive statistics. Thank you for your attention. Dah, nanti potong tuh ya.